Hi friends, welcome back to another episode of Let's Practice Cursive. Today we're going to skip right by the intro and jump into today's lesson of the lowercase letters M, N, and X. Now the M and the N are obvious why they are grouped together, but the X might not be. But indeed these three letters all feature the exact same movement. The M takes 3 humps, the N takes 2 humps, and the X takes 1. And Humpty Dumpty falls over with none. Wait a second. And by the way folks, I hope you are all having a wonderful hump day and week so far. To warm up for these letters, we're going to use the push-pull drill. If you aren't familiar with these drills, you can check out some of my other videos where I talk about why we use these drills and how to best execute these drills so that they can improve your handwriting in the long run. As I warm up for today's session using the push-pull drill, I'm gradually scaling down the exercise to more accurately match a size that is practical for handwriting. So before I move on to solely practicing this week's letters, I use this drill that starts off using the push-pull motion and then shoots out to create the hump-like shape found in the M, N, and X. This is an excellent drill that will help you with creating consistency and rhythm in your handwriting. Now, a great set of words to practice in order to incorporate some of the letters we're covering in this week's episode as well as previous lessons are the words minimum and maximum. The word minimum in particular is a word commonly used by many penmen to work on rhythm because you have a great combination of alternating movements. Practicing the word minimum and maximum is very effective at building rhythm in your writing, and I hope that the video example may assist you in noticing this rhythm. I have another video where I talk about the significance of rhythm in your handwriting, and if you're interested in that, feel free to check the cards in the top right corner. I do hope you spend some time working on these letters today and enjoy your time practicing a little bit of cursive. Make sure to check out the other videos in the Let's Practice Cursive series as well as in my older Practical Penmanship series. There's a ton of information available to all of you there. And for you lefties, I have made a few videos that specifically address how to write best as a left-hander using both finger movement and whole arm movement. As always, if you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments section down below. I appreciate you guys taking the time to watch through till the end of this video. I will not be including the full recording of today's practice session, so if that's something that you missed, make sure to let me know in the comments section below. Otherwise, I will refrain from adding them to the videos from this point on. Thanks so much, take care, and let's practice cursive.